how we will prepare. Nana. Alkyne means triple bond. Carbon, carbon, triple bond is there, alkyne. Just addition of water. Addition of water. Like this here, R, C triple bond, CH is there. We can say this is a less substituted side. This is a more substituted side. Okay, na? Less substituted more. Then R, C triple bond H. Then addition of water in presence of mercury sulfate and dilute H2SO4 Nana. HgSO4 dilute H2SO4 is given. Addition of water. Now Marconi half role. Then I will write first hydrogen added, less substituted carbon, less substituted, OH added, more substituted carbon. That's why here R, C double bond, here H. Then we are adding H here, OH here. Dilute one, H is coming from acid, OH is coming from water. Dilute. Okay, but we are getting what here answer? Enol. What is our answer? This is enol. Enol. Okay, na enol. But whenever enol is there, the other possibility tautomers, keto-enol tautomerism, keto-enol tautomerism, Nana. Then immediately what happened here? Double bond shifted here. This hydrogen shifted here. Therefore, what happened? Answer. Immediately this one here, R group here. This one C double bond over here, CH3. So here carbonyl compound ketone we are getting. Ketone. Okay, na? Similar way we can add so dialkyl boron hydride R2BH by THF. Okay, here R group only one, B2H6 hydroboration, Nana. Hydroboration we discussed, that is only your answer. And next time undala manaki H2O2 by evaru OH minus annam. Okay na? Total B2H6 given, this is there. Just addition of water only. Total reagent is given, addition of water. Mari ikkada ela aitadi nana? Idi hydroboration la reverse to above example. Therefore, what is our answer now? Here R, C, double bond, here H. Now what is our answer? Here OH, here H. ఇలా వచ్చింది కదా. యాక్చువల్ గా లెస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటెడ్ కి H, మోర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ OH రావడాన్ని ఏమంటాం? మార్కోని కాఫ్ రోల్. And this is our anti-Marconi. Now answer what happened? Here also this is enol. You can write tautomer. See Nana, here double bond, here what is there? Here H is there. H is there. Then what is our answer? Here RC, CH2, CHO. RCH2. Then you are getting what here? Aldehyde. Aldehyde, Nana. So like this aldehyde ketones we are getting. Aldehyde ketone. So from alkyne, addition of water. From alkyne, addition of water, this is your answer. Okay, na? Now write clearly. Next example. acetylene. Here dilute H2SO4 plus HgSO4. Okay, now next answer, hydroboration. Answer, tell me, Nana. So triple bond undergoes cleavage. For one, both are same. Any side you can add HOH, no problem. In both cases, same answer. Here H, here OH, double bond, here HH. But this is called as what? Enol. Whenever enol is formed, we can write what? Tautomerism, ketoenol tautomerism. Then our answer, what happened here? So the double bond shifted here, the H shifted here. Now here, this is what your answer here, CH3, C double bond here H. Acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Okay na? Acetaldehyde. Right? Now next example. C triple bond CH. Now dilute H2SO4 by HgSO4. R2BH by THF. Hydrogen peroxide by OH minus. Answer, Nana. Here difference is there. Okay na? This is less substituted side. This is more substituted side. Now in this case, what happened here? Hydrogen added less substituted, OH added more substituted. Therefore our answer, C double bond, here H. Now we are adding OH, here H we are adding. But what is our answer, Nana? This is enol. Immediately what happened? Ketoenol tautomerism. Like the double bond shifted here, hydrogen shifted here. Okay. Now answer. Here cyclohexane ring. Here what happened here? This is a CO. This is a methyl group. Now next example, Nana. Here anti-Marconi, how to write? Means reverse to this. Here is the OH. Here is the OH group. Now here is the hydrogen, Nana. Then you can write tautomers, tautomerism. What happened here? The double bond shifted here. The hydrogen shifted this place. Therefore, CH2, now Nana, C double bond. Both are different. Here ketone, here aldehyde. Lot of difference is there. Carefully observe. Next example, phenylacetylene. Here this portion is acetylene and phenyl. Phenylacetylene. Okay, na? Similar way, what is our answer, Nana? Again, here dilute H2SO4 and HgSO4. Next case, diacetyl boron hydride by HF. Here hydrogen peroxide by OH minus. R2BH, diacylyl boron hydrate, dialkyl boron hydrate. Now tell me answer. Here bond cleavage. Here pH double bond. H. Then tell me Nana. Here hydrogen. Here OH. Next case. Here pH C double bond. Here what happened? Here OH. Here H. Okay na? Both are enol system. Enol. Here double bond shifted here, hydrogen shifted here. Similar way, double bond shifted here, hydrogen shifted here. Then answer Nana. So here pH, C double bond over here, CH3. Here pH, CH2, C double bond. Okay, like this here, first case here ketone, here aldehyde. Like that, alkynes are given. Carefully observe. Any alkyne is given based on condition. You can write answer. Okay, na? Like this here, from alkynes also directly you can prepare carbonyl compounds. Right? So that is from alkyne. Next one, you know, from halogen compounds. This is very simple. From halogen compound. Already over, just over, but again, idea, you have to take geminal dihalide. 2 chlorine present on same carbon. That is called a geminal dihalide. Or CHCl to geminal dihalide, Nana. Then reaction with aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH. Tell me, you know, whenever Cl is there, OH means, you know, nucleophilic substitution. Cl is substituted by OH. Cl. Then answer Nana, here R, hydrogen. In place of one Cl, you have to write OH. Again here, H is there, Cl is there. But immediately removal of HCl. Removal of HCl. Why? Because Cl, chlorine ఒకే కార్బన్ మీద ఉంటే ఏమన్నా హాలోహైడ్రిన్, జెమినల్ హాలోహైడ్రిన్ అన్స్టేబుల్ అని చెప్పిన. జెమినల్ అంటే ఒకే కార్బన్ పైన ఉండడం. హాలో అంటే హాలోజన్, హాలో హైడ్రిన్ OH. ఇమీడియట్ గా HCl రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది. మనం ఏం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Within the reaction, like this, will get aldehyde. See here, dihalide at end carbon. Okay na? Now middle carbon RC, Cl to R group. Again reaction with aqueous KOH, Nana. Tell me answer. Once again nucleophilic substitution. R here R. In place of one chlorine, you write OH. That's why what happened here? Here OH group, here chlorine group. Then immediately what happened? Here OH geminal geminal halohydrin, or removal of HCl. So removal of HCl means you will get ketone. Like this, whenever geminal dihalide at end carbon aldehyde, geminal dihalide at middle carbon ketone. At end carbon aldehyde, at middle carbon ketone, Nana. Like this here, geminal dihalides are given. From that also you can get aldehyde ketone. Example, now CH3, CHCl to given aqueous KOH, Nana. What is our answer? CH3, CCl2, CH3. Here also aqueous KOH. Okay, na? Tell me answer. Answer, Nana. Same. Here end carbon means this one forms as what? Here aldehyde. Therefore, our answer here aldehyde. Here middle carbon means ketone, acetone. So your product is aldehyde. Your product is acetone. Acetone. Okay, na? Now, next case. CHCl2 aqueous KOH. CHCl2 aqueous KOH. Here CBr2 aqueous KOH. Nana, what is your answer? pH CHCl2. Answer. Clear. This is the end carbon geminal dihalide. Geminal dihalide. Paper. Now CBr2 CH3. Chepand answer CHCl2. So your answer C. Here what is the answer? Tell me, Nana. Here aldehyde. This is a benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Now next one answer, Nana. Ketone. Okay, na? Ketone, Nana. So like this here, this is called as what? Acetophenone. Here CH3, C group is aceto. Here pH is there, phenyl. Keto group is there, one, phenone. Acetophenone. Acetophenone, Nana. Acetophenone. Now here Cl, aqueous KOH. Chepandi. Cl. Here also 2 chlorinate same carbon. This will get cyclohexanone. Like this here, different products are possible. Different products are possible. Very important. Aqueous KOH. Like this, from geminal dihalide directly you can get carbonyl compounds. Geminal dihalide directly you can get carbonyl compounds, Nana. So that is from halogen you can get. Next one from alcohol. Recent lesson, our lesson from alcohol, Nana. మరి మనం ఏమనుకున్నాం ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్కహాల్ మైల్డ్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ అని చెప్పాను మొన్ననే. రియేజెంట్స్ ఎవరని చెప్తారా? ఏ రియేజెంట్స్ అన్నాం? క్రోమియం ఆక్సైడ్, పిసిసి, పిడిసి, కాపర్ బై 300, MnO2, Jones reagent. These all are there, you know. Okay na? Different reagents we know. Tell me answer. మనం ఆల్రెడీ రాసున్నా, నేను మళ్ళీ రాయాల్సి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్లెంటీ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇచ్చాను మీకు మొన్ననే. HF4 ఆక్సిడేషన్ కూడా ఏమొచ్చినాయి? కార్బోనైల్ కాంపౌండే. పినకాలోన్ కూడా ఏమొచ్చింది? కార్బోనైల్ కాంపౌండ్సే. అన్నిట్లో ఇచ్చాను మీకు క్లియర్ గా. సరేనా? మరి mild oxidation లో your primary alcohol is given. Primary alcohol లో reagent ఎవరు తీసుకున్నాం మనం? One is copper by 300 or chromium oxide by pyridine or ఇంకేమన్నాం PCC or PDC or DMSO అన్న డైమిథైల్ సల్ఫాక్సైడ్ అనుకున్నాం అంతే కదా. ఇక్కడ జోన్స్ రియేజెంట్ అయితే ఏమైతే యాసిడ్ అయితే అన్నాం. లైక్ దిస్ ఎనీ ప్రైమరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఇస్ గివన్. దీస్ ఆల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ విత్ యూ ఆల్రెడీ. జస్ట్ ఆల్కహాల్ లెసన్ ఓన్లీ. aldehyde directly you can get. Okay na? Aldehyde. Similar way, whenever primary alcohols are given, here Jones reagent, Varnana Jones reagent, chromium oxide by acetone and concentrated sulfuric acid. This is called as what? Jones reagent, Nana. Then what happened? Primary alcohol converted to acid. Primary alcohol converted to acid. Like that, from alcohol directly you can get your aldehyde or ketone. Directly you can get aldehyde or ketone. Okay. Now, next ketones are there. Here secondary alcohols are given. Same mild oxidation, clearly copper by 300 or chromite by pyridine or PCC or PDC or DMSO or Jones reagent. Okay na? Directly here secondary alcohols are there. The secondary alcohol converted to ketone. These examples also there. More than one option question ఇచ్చాను. ఇంటీజర్ ఎలా ఆడుతారు దీని మీద చాలా ఉన్నాయని చెప్పి మీకు ఇచ్చాను క్వశ్చన్స్. ఆల్కహాల్ లో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మీకు హోంవర్క్ కూడా ఇచ్చిన నేను, చూసుకోండి అవన్నీ. ఇలా సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఈ రియేజెంట్లు ఏది ఇచ్చినా కీటోనే, అక్కడ ప్రైమరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఆల్డిహైడ్ నానా. ఓకేనా? ఇంకా మనం అనుకున్నాం ఇయర్ ఫర్ అల్లైలిక్ కదా. ఈ డబుల్ బాండ్ కి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఈ కార్బన్ ఏమన్నాం అల్లైలిక్. అలానే ఇంకా బెంజిన్ రింగ్ ఇలా ఉన్న కార్బన్ ఏమన్నాం బెంజైలిక్. ఇలా అల్లైలిక్ బెంజైలిక్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా ఇయర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇయర్ ప్రైమరీ ఆల్కహాల్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ దీనికి మెయిన్ గా MnO2 ఆక్సిడేషన్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అల్లైలిక్ బెంజైలిక్ ఇస్తే MnO2 ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. MnO2 ఇస్తే ఈ రెండే, నార్మల్ వాటికి అప్లికేబుల్ కాదు. సో దీనికి ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం రియేజెంట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు? ఇయర్ కాపర్ బై 300 ఆర్ chromium oxide by pyridine or PCC or PDC or Jones reagent. Next DMSO. Next MnO2 నానా. ఏమైంది ఇప్పుడు? దిస్ ఈజ్ అల్లైలిక్ ఆల్కహాల్. ఓకే, అల్లైలిక్ ఆల్కహాల్ నానా, అల్లైలిక్ ఆల్కహాల్. అల్లైలిక్ ఆల్కహాల్ రా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇయర్ డబుల్ బాండ్ డస్ నాట్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్. డబుల్ బాండ్ is there. The double bond does not affected, only alcoholic. Therefore, what is our answer now? Here CH double bond here, primary alcohol to aldehyde. Chromium, same answer. PDC, but Jones reagent is given just we discussed here acid. DMSO given here alcohol to aldehyde. MnO2 also applicable. MnO2 specially for allylic benzylic. MnO2 for allylic benzylic. For normal does not. For normal is given don't write reaction with MnO2. I have given very clearly example in alcohol. These all are there. Okay. Now similar way like this here, a double bond here OH. This is secondary allylic. Here carbon is secondary and this portion is allylic portion nana. Therefore here also same copper by 300 CrO3 by pyridine. Oh, thank you. CrO3 pyridine, PCC, PDC, Chibandra, Jones reagent. So DMSO, next one MnO2. Srigan. Chepandana answer. Secondary alcohol means you will get ketone. Double bond does not affected your ketone. So so here PCC, PDC, Jones reagent also same answer. DMSO. In all cases answer is same. In all cases answer is same. All cases answer is same. Okay, Nana. Like this here, alcohols are given directly. You can prepare. This is a mild oxidation. Next one from Grignard reagent. So by using Grignard reagent, so Grignard reagent means what is the meaning? RMGX Nana. So how will get here? Whenever alkyl halide treated with magnesium in presence of ether, then this is converted to RMGX. You know RMGX is a neutral nucleophile Nana, and this is also called as organometallic compound OMC. Metal directly bonded to carbon of organic molecule. Magnesium metal directly bonded. Any metal directly bonded to carbon, those are called as organometallic. Here Grignard reagent is also example of organometallic OMC. Magnesium metal directly attached to carbon. R means any methyl, ethyl, phenyl, anything. Okay na? Now in this case here R minus is the active species. R minus is the active species. R minus highly active. Okay na? Now whenever you know cyanides are given, particularly C triple bond N reaction with the RMGX, then you know nucleophilic addition, here bond undergoes cleavage. What is our answer, Nana? Nitrogen getting negative charge, carbon acquire positive charge. Therefore, immediately what happened? This R minus attacks to whom? C plus. R minus attached to C plus. Therefore, what is our answer now here? R, here also R. Then what happened here? This is double bond N, here minus and here MgX. Okay. Further, if here again RMgX is given, no addition. Further, no reaction. Then you write hydrolysis. So immediately here Nana bond cleavage. Here bond cleavage means you will get O. Particularly our answer here CO. What is the product? Main product ketones you will get. What? Ketones. Grignard reagent treated with the cyanides. Nucleophilic addition. I am writing very clearly. Reaction. RCN. Clear reaction. How we are adding this reaction? Ever example ever? R minus kada nucleophilic addition. Nucleophile add avutundi kanuka nucleophilic addition. Okay, Nana. So your cyanides are given. So directly you can get answer. Okay. Now example, tell me. Example. For example, here CH3 C triple bond N. Now answer CH3 MgCl by hydrolysis. Okay, na hydrolysis. Next year CH3 CH2 CH2 C triple bond N CH3 MgBr hydrolysis. Next one cyclohexyl N plus CH3 MgCl. Now Nana here phenyl cyanide CH3 MgI by hydrolysis. Like this Grignard reagent is given. Answer. Grignard reagent is given. Answer. So in this case, you know, here this bond undergoes cleavage. Now whatever R minus is there, R minus means here CH3 minus added here. Therefore our answer now here CH3 C. Now CH3 added here CH3 double bond N MgCl, but hydrolysis given no cleavage. Then our answer CH3 CO CH3 Nana acetone. What is the product? Acetone Nana acetone. Next case, tell me. So here bond cleavage this side. Then what is the R? Here CH3 added here like this. Then our answer here CH3 CH2 here. Here CH3 double bond N MgBr. Then hydrolysis is given here bond cleavage. Then answer CH3 CH2 CO CH3 Nana pentanone. Next case here bond cleavage. Next here CH3 group added here. CH3 group added here. Then answer C. Now in this case here CH3 double bond MgCl plus minus, but hydrolysis means bond cleavage. Then our product formation cyclohexyl methyl ketone. Okay na. Similar way, just here Grignard reagent, you tell me answer. Here bond cleavage. Now here methyl group added here. nucleophilic addition reaction. Then answer here, what is our answer here? pH is there, C double bond N, here minus MgI plus nana, here CS3 added. pH C triple bond N, okay na? Next one answer. Okay. Then next case here, pH C double bond O here CH3. Like this, by giving Grignard reagent, you can get ketones. Ketones, Nana, ketones. Ketones are there. Like this Grignard reagent. Similar way, here RLI, alkyl lithium. This is also neutral nucleophile. In this case also, R minus is active. Here RCl is RLI is more reactive than RMGX. Okay na? So whenever here carboxylic acid treated with RLI, R-Li, then what happened, Nana? First, this is acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen. Here acidic hydrogen, here R minus. These two are formed as first alkane system. Next one here R C double bond OLI. Again the reaction will not stop here. Again further what happened? One more Li is added, Nana. Okay na? In this case, what happened here? This pi bond undergoes cleavage. Next year, whatever R is there, this added to C plus. Due to cleavage, oxygen getting negative charge, carbon getting positive charge, Nana. So for this positive charge carbon here, R minus added. Then what is our answer here? R C. Here R dash. Then O become what? O minus. Here for this here Li added. Already old Li is there. Okay, further reaction is there clearly. Okay, now immediately what happened here? Hydrolysis is given. Very important, acid. I am taking acid alkali. Here for neutrality, this is OH, here also OH. OLI become OH. Here OLI become OH. The name manam gem diol. మరి ఒకే కార్బన్ పైన రెండు OH ఉంటే ఏమన్నాం నానా? అన్స్టేబుల్. ఒకే కార్బన్ పైన 2 OHs ఉంటే అన్స్టేబుల్ అనుకుంటా. ఓకేనా? అన్స్టేబుల్ రా. మరి ఆన్సర్ immediately what happened? Removal of water. Immediately water release. Here removal of water. Removal of water. Then our product is what here? Ketone. Ketone, Nana, ketone you are getting. Very clear. Once again you see here carboxylic acid I am taking. Completely what happened? This OH replaced by R dash. Overall here RCO OH. Okay na? So 2 moles of R dash Li followed by hydrolysis. What happened here? In OH, this R dash attacks here. Our product RCOR dash, Nana. Like this we can write. RLI, alkyl lithium with acid. Alkyl lithium with acid, that is your product. Okay, na? Now example, here acetic acid is given. Now methyl lithium by hydrolysis. Acetic acid, methyl lithium by hydrolysis, Nana. What happened here? Completely OH. In OH, what is there here? Methyl group introduced. then our product formation acetone. Next case, CH3, COOH, methyl lithium answer. Again here OH release, then our CH3, here CH3, CO here CH3. Okay na? Next cyclohexane, COOH, methyl lithium answer. Here cyclohexyl group, CO here methyl. Okay na? If we are for this